everyone. With Christmas just around the corner, I thought we would do a little craft. This is one that should be simple enough for most children to do, maybe the little ones with a bit of help. We're going to make some decorations for our Christmas tree. I'm wearing a mask, so hopefully you can hear me. I have one of my colleagues videotaping this today. So anyway, we're going to make a Santa and a reindeer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out our Santa. You're going to have to cut this out. And you're also going to have to cut out some of the other pieces that come along with it. But everything is pretty clear of what you need to do. So first we cut out that. Then we're going to put this on here. And that's going to be Santa's beard. So we're just going to put a bunch of glue all over the bottom of our red. And then we're going to put it there. And we want to make sure it's stuck down everywhere. So we might need to add a bit more glue, because these muffin wrappers tend to move up a little bit. All right, so there's that. Now we're going to add the rim of his hat. This is his hat. That peak that is there is his hat. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue on there. And there's the rim of his hat. Now we're going to add his little pom-pom on his hat. So we're going to add a little bit more glue and stick on his pom-pom. So this is what we have so far. So now we're just missing his face, right? So we'll work on that next. So we'll put on his eyes. Okay, and a red nose. And then he needs a little bit of a mustache to go with his beard. Put a little bit of glue in there. Whoops, my nose is running away on me. We'll stick his nose back on. Okay, and here's his little mustache pieces. And those you're going to have to cut out, but you need to be very careful because they're small, so we don't want to lose them. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little marker. I forgot to get it out. And I'm just going to put a little smiley face on him. And there's our Santa. Next we'll move on to our reindeer. So again, you have some pieces to cut out. And we are just going to put them together. So you need a little bit of glue on the tip of your reindeer ears. And he's a little quicker because there's not as many parts to him. So you're going to put those on. There's his ears and his eyes. Oh, you know what? I am doing this the wrong way. I have to move his ears. I need the point of his nose to be down here. So I'm just going to fix his ears up again. So when you're doing this, make sure you have your triangle in the right way. So you want your triangle with the point facing down, because that's going to end up being your reindeer nose. So we will put on his nose right now since I'm thinking about it. There's his nose. And then we'll go on to his eyes. And then you have his antlers. And I've already made them for you. They're all put together. I like to put these on with tape, just because they stay a little bit easier. Whoops, and his nose fell off because I pushed him around a little too much. Put his nose back on. And there's our reindeer. And then when you're all finished and you've let them dry for a little bit, I've included some ribbons that you can hang on the back, and that will be your hanger. And you can hang your little ornaments wherever you want, maybe on your Christmas tree or somewhere else in the house, or it might be a nice gift for somebody. So those craft kits are available at the library starting Monday the 14th. You can come down to the library and pick them up. And on that day, we will also be getting ready for our reading challenge for the winter. And those are ready, and you can read through Christmas and put your name in for a prize. Bye, everyone.